This is how you add captions to Canva, and they just upgraded this recently. So if you've been doing this, this may be some new information for you where you can make some better captions than you used to be able to. So I've got a video that I've dragged into my timeline and I'm talking in it in Canva. Now, in order to simply add captions, it's sort of counterintuitive. I would want to be able to just right-click this and add captions, but the only thing we have down here in the pop-up menu is this show view only captions. So that is when you're hanging out in Canva and we've got the captions that pop up right there, which that's fine, but I don't care about that. I want the published video to have the captions, as I'm sure that you do. Let me show you two things. Over here on the sidebar, we've got captions, right? So boom, captions. Well, let's click that and see what happens. If you have multiple videos, and I do, I've got this gradient background video, it will let you select which videos to add captions from, and you can select generate captions. And well, there we go. We've got our captions, right? So there's that. But is that the whole story? What can I do to these captions? Well, if I come up here to effects, I can actually add some effects to them, make them different colors, I guess. Let's use some neon background. Let's make it pop a little bit so you can actually see I'm doing something. So you can change up the effects on this written text. The other way though, and the thing that they just released last week, is that you can do some dynamic text. So let's go back out of here. I'm just going to do Control Z until we're done with those captions. Okay, so we don't have them anymore. Now this is the non-intuitive part. If you click your video, and then come over here and select text. I mean, it's kind of intuitive because captions are text, right? But I want the captions to live out here in this zone. Or better yet, I want them to live up here in the edit menu or audio tools or anywhere up here, please. I want it up here. They didn't ask me though. Anyway, if you select dynamic text, this is the other way that you can add it. Generate captions. We're going to do that same thing again, and it's generating these captions. And now after it's stuck into our video, let's go ahead and select it again. We'll click this, and you can actually edit over here on the right, or that's my other right, the left sidebar. We can edit stuff, delete stuff if we don't want certain parts of the captions, and we can actually do some effects. So here are the effects that you want. This is probably why you came here, because these are new. See? They say it, new. So these are the ones that you see that are popularized in different videos where it highlights the spoken word. A word of warning. I have found that the highlight has not been extraordinarily accurate 100% of the time. So let's just play a little bit of this in this video and see how it does. I've done a previous video test where it kind of went a little crazy a couple times. Let's see how this one does. There's this layers deal. And check that out. We can just select individually, and this is great for moving layers. So this is doing pretty good. But for my purposes, it's perfect for what I'm trying to do, which is slide this down. Okay, that's really good actually. So this is great. I had a fluke the last time that I used this. It was just a fluke. The other types of captions, that's the highlight. That's my favorite. The other type is this reveal. Also pretty cool. You can change the intensity as you can in most of these Canva deals. So that's kind of gradually fading in, and then higher intensity is boom, it's really popping. And then you've got the snake effect where you've got the underline, and you can change that underline color. There, I'll make it a pale red just like that. That's pretty cool tool, though. I like the snake. And I like the reveal the best right now. Hope that's helpful for you. If it was, click the like button. Let me know in the comments how you're using this or what you would like to see me make a video on next. And in the meantime, check this video tutorial out right now. Have a great one.